Federal authorities are in southern Colorado preparing to tear down a former funeral home building.
The Environmental Protection Agency spoke with our news crews in Canyon City this afternoon about the upcoming demolition of the Return to Nature building in Penrose.
That's where 11 News reporter Melissa Henry is joining us live. Melissa, before the demolition, we've learned that there are plans for a ceremony to remember the victims.
That's right, Lindsay. Tuesday morning at 9 o'clock here, there will be a ceremony just for the victims' families that's not open to the public, and it will be the last time for those families to look at this building before it is torn down. We understand that there will be some statements made by a pastor during that ceremony. Now, the Fremont County coroner updated the number today to 18 for the number of bodies that have yet to be identified in this case. That's of the 189 bodies found improperly stored inside the building last October. The EPA says crews are already on site to receive equipment deliveries, do air checks, and make sure the building is ready to be torn down. As soon as Tuesday morning's ceremony is over, that's when we expect to see the first walls knocked down. Officials say there will be a strong smell in the area at that time, and they say that's just part of the process, but say it's not causing any health hazards, as the building materials will then be taken in truckloads to an Otero County landfill.
Part of the disinfection process is also odor and vapor suppressor that will be sprayed inside the building as well, and that will help kind of mitigate those effects. But there shouldn't, and there really isn't, any risk during the transportation. Once it leaves our site, we actually have a very good control over it, and that's why we have very trusted trucking companies.
Now, those EPA officials who spoke today said the cost for this demolition is at least $200,000, but it could be much more than that. The leaders that spoke weren't in the financing department of this situation, so they weren't fully clear on the total cost. We also asked if there would be a lien placed on this property once that demolition is done for those costs, and that question was not directly answered, but we do know that is an option that the EPA has once they're done here. And John and Carrie Halford, the owners of Return to Nature, are expected to still be the property owners once demolition is complete. Live in Fremont County, Melissa Henry, KKTV 11 News.
Still making its way through the court. We'll keep you updated. Melissa, thank you.